of compound movements. On the last day today, I thought, why not go heavy legs? I mean, why not go out with a bang? So today is heavy legs, but they're still compound movements. So we'll still be burning and torching those calories. The first one we got is going to be a squat and calf raise, because we can't neglect those calves. So we're gonna get started. Take that bar up and over. Feet hip width or a little bit farther apart. Go as low as you can for that squat. Come all the way up onto those toes. One squat, one calf raise, and one bang. Try to come all the way up onto those toes. If you want a little bit harder, do a squat and 3 calf raises. Making sure to roll all the way up onto those toes. Try to get 15 reps, no 10 to 15, legit 15 reps. And stay tuned for the next exercise of legs. Exercise number 2 is gonna focus on the quads a little bit more than normal. We're gonna do a squat, but our legs are gonna be a little bit closer together to put the emphasis in the quads. We're gonna do a squat and an upright row, so we're gonna work those shoulders a little bit. So let's get started, 10 to 15 reps. So those feet are closer, the bar just goes right in front, squat and row. Still keeping that chest high. I always like to look up when I'm going down, make sure my chest stays high. Keeping the weight in the heels to hit those hamstrings. I have a 40-pound weight, so if you're going a little bit heavier, make sure to pause at that top before you hit the shoulders, because you want it to solely be the shoulders that are hiking up that weight instead of the momentum from your legs. So just make sure you take that pause, put it solely in those shoulders, and then hit that raise. Stay tuned for number 3. All right, we're gonna get some good mornings in. So that's hinging at your hips to work those glutes and that hamstrings. And then we're also gonna attack the inner part of the thighs, because that's also important for leg day. So we're gonna bending, hinging at our hips to get the glute and hamstrings. Then you're gonna come on up straight and tall. You're gonna put all your weight in whatever foot you're leading with. You're gonna go all the way into that side, into that heel. We're getting the inner and outer parts of the thigh. So here we go. So you got your good morning, hinging at your hips, trying to go as low as you can, keeping that back straight. Then pop it out to that right side, come back in. Pop it out to that left side. Slow and controlled movements. Remember, putting everything in your heels to really attack those glutes and hamstrings, because before we already hit those quads. We're trying to work every part of our leg. Try to get 12 reps. You want it to be even for each leg. Don't forget to breathe. And we'll see what's coming up next. Hopefully your legs are starting to get tired from this awesome workout. of the leg, and then we're gonna do a hammer curl. The difference between a hammer and a bicep curl is it's coming straight up. So it's actually gonna work the front part of the bicep and then the front part of that shoulder. So you're going straight up with the weights instead of them being horizontal. Curtsy lunge, come up, curl, all the way down. Really important for that hammer curl to go all the way up and all the way down, lengthening that muscle, getting that full rep. Trying to get 12 reps. Like I said before, we want it to be even on those legs. Starting to feel it in that outer part of those glutes. Try to go as deep as you can in that curtsy lunge. One more exercise and then all 7 days are done, so stay tuned. Two different ways to do these, one with weights, one without weights. So I'm gonna show with weights first, and then halfway through I'll take out the weights and show you a different way. But you're gonna do 4 punches, and then bring your feet together and do 4 jacks. So punch, jacks. You're gonna do without the weights, you're just making those fists and then bringing it out and up. So try to do 10 to 15 all the way out. Don't stop there. It's gonna get that heart rate up. It's gonna work the shoulders. Gonna work all of the arms, and then obviously with those jacks, it's gonna get those legs, a little bit of full body. That is all 7 days. Watch all of them, start to finish. They get a little bit harder as they go through. Just getting your guys' bodies all warmed up all throughout the 7 days. I hope that you enjoy. I'd love, love, love to hear how you guys like them, what else you wanna see if you want more. So like, subscribe, watch all 7 videos, and I'll catch you guys later.